Hi, my name's Amber, and I'm going to just be going over two ACT questions from the 2020 mathematics portion that was just released. Okay. So, question 15 asks, what is the value of the expression below? And we see it's the absolute value of the absolute value of negative 8 plus 4 minus the absolute value of 3 minus 9. So absolute value can be referred to as like the distance from 0, and distance is always positive. So you can't have a negative absolute value. So what you do first is you do the inside absolute value expressions and then the overall. So negative 8 plus 4 would be negative 4. So that would be the absolute value of negative 4, pardon my handwriting, minus the absolute value 3 minus 9, which is negative 6. Again, pardon my handwriting. So then the absolute value of negative 4, because it is the distance from 0, would be 4, and the absolute value of negative 6 is 6. As you can see, we keep, even though it's absolute value, it's not a negative 6. We are doing 4 minus positive 6 because of this absolute value expression. We keep the subtraction sign, but we are subtracting two positive numbers. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2, and negative 2 is 2 units away from 0, so the absolute value is 2, making the answer D. Okay, and then so the next one we have, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x to the power of 2/3? So x 2/3 is the same, and you can think of it as power over index. So power please excuse my handwriting. Let me try that again. So power, there we go, over index. Now what's a power and what's an index? So a power is what you are raising your variable to, and in this case, x, 2. So x to the second power, because like we said, power over index, so our power is 2, and our index is 3. So basically we're saying x times x, or x squared. So right away we can go ahead and get rid of any answer that is not x squared. So that gets rid of G, H, and J. So we are left with K and F. So that brings us to the next question. What is an index? So the index is what we are taking the root of. So we all know that this is a square root. But and we've probably seen where, oh my gosh, my handwriting. We've probably seen where there will be a number right here, and that's the index. So what that means is we put our index, which is 3, right here, and then we have x squared on the inside. So that marks off F, because it's not a fraction of x squared divided by 3. However, it is x squared, the cubed root of x squared. So that leaves us with K. I hope that helps. It's pretty simple, and I hope that gets you 2 more questions right on your ACT. Thank you.